In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your big Cartel theme in under 2 minutes. This is perfect if you're just getting started or if you want to refresh the look of your online store without any complicated steps. To begin, open your browser and head to the Big Cartel website. Then log into your account. Once you're inside, move straight to the design section. This is the main workspace where you'll adjust the look and feel of your shop. You can start by choosing a new theme from the available options or simply continue with the one you're already using. Once the theme is selected, the customization panel gives you full control over your store's appearance. You can adjust images, change colors, update fonts, and tweak the layout until everything matches your brand style. A consistent color palette and clean font choices will instantly make your store look more polished and professional. If you want deeper control, Big Cartel also allows you to edit the HTML and CSS. This part is completely optional, but it's great for adding custom design touches or advanced formatting that the basic settings don't offer. You can also integrate extra tools by pasting custom code, whether you want analytics, email signups, or live chat features. Just make sure the code works smoothly with your theme. As you customize, keep saving your changes to avoid losing any progress. When everything looks exactly the way you want, take a moment to preview your design. And once you're happy with it, go ahead and publish your updated theme to make it live for your customers. And that's all it takes. Your Big Cartel store now has a fresh, personalized theme that's ready to impress visitors and elevate your brand.